Hey bosses, in this video, we'll show you how to add your Google Analytics tracking ID. So if you know how to use Google Analytics, you'll be able to take your tracking ID. If you don't know where to find that, just Google, how do I find my Google Analytics tracking ID? And it's very simple to find the number. And then you'll go, if you're in your company account page, you go to other settings, integrations, see Google Analytics, just click and paste your ID. Click save, and boom, integration was successful. And the same thing if you want to go on an individual page, it's exactly the same thing. You go to page set, you go to other settings, integrations, Google Analytics, paste, save, and you're good to go. And that is how you connect your Google Analytics account to Book Like a Boss.